This is a honeybee on our sage plant. Okay, this is gonna be a short video. I cut off 2 of my watermelons. The tendrils are done. They're all brown and curled up. This third one here, oh, the bugs got it. Yeah, it ain't no good. Look at that, it's all the inside of it. It ain't no good. So I'm done with watermelon this year. I did pick the 2, and it's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna have a bunch more tomatoes here. Green peppers not doing so good. Bell peppers. Have some more big tomatoes here. I come out every day now, not on video, but every day to do some picking. And I'll show you how much I picked in the last 3 days.
You have entered the monitoring area.
These are my great tomatoes. These are more grape tomatoes. I started from seeds. I'm gonna get a bunch off of here. This is the volunteer plant. I'm just letting it run wild. I picked a bunch off of here. This plant came up all by itself. My mammoth jalapeno, I'm not impressed with that. This one here makes some thick ones, stocky jalapenos. It's okay. This is another volunteer grape tomato plant, and I picked a few off of here too. Here you can see a couple right here. And this one I thought was going to be beefsteak, turned out to be a grape tomato plant. Unless after a generation it turns out to be grape, I don't know. This jalapeno, you've been producing some red jalapenos. They'll start turning dark and then they start turning red. There's a few I missed. This one here I'm not going to save. Here's my milkweed plant. It's growing pretty well. And, oh, did I miss a tomato up here? Oh, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna pick that one. We're gonna have some big ones here. Yeah. I gotta keep an eye on them before the bugs get them. Oh, we had rain the last couple of days too, so I gotta keep picking. This is another jalapeno plant I've been picking off of. And more grape tomatoes. And my other tomato is running all over here too. I'm just gonna let them grow wild. You know, they're growing tomatoes. And here's some more grape tomatoes. I'll be out here tomorrow picking too. They're all starting to change. There's some more grape tomatoes. Don't have a lot of grape tomatoes, but we eat them anyway. There's my yellow jalapenos that I grew from seeds from my last plant. This is 2nd generation. I'm gonna try to save some more seeds from that. And my other jalapenos. And more tomatoes. Some of these tomatoes I might end up throwing away because the bugs will get up to them. I'm just gonna let them grow though. I'm not using my 360 camera, I'm using my phone to record all this. That rose there, we had a couple blooms over here, they all bloomed already. And that's the last one on that one there, so far. That one had a couple blooms before. Oh yeah, I got a couple more starting up here. This one here is a multicolor rose I bought. I think I paid $25 for it a couple years ago. And it's still producing flowers. Oh, I forgot to cut this one off. Deadhead it. See, we got more blooms popping up. The more I deadhead this, the more blooms pops up. Here's some more blooms. And This is my mosquito plant I've been trimming on. There's a leaf I missed. Now we're going inside. I'll show you what I got. This is what I picked the last 3 days. This platter's full of them. A lot of them been a little more greener, but set them near the window, they start turning red. This is bell pepper here. Pick them as soon as I can before the bugs get them. These are jalapenos. I got 3 baggies with frozen sliced jalapenos. Going on my 4th baggie, I think. Gallon bag. Not baggie, but gallon bag. And these are the watermelon I picked today. Looking good. This one here is kind of small. Later on, I'll see how they turn out. Okay, this is what we're doing with our bell peppers. Cut off the end here. Split it. Clean out the insides here. Then I slice them like this, because when we try to let them grow full size, bugs get to them before we do. This way we can have them in Spanish rice or whatever recipe we want to have them in. And then put on a gallon baggie. And freeze them. As you can see here, we already got 1 gallon baggie full of them. This way we can have them all winter long. Same thing with the jalapeno. Let me get my gloves out. You don't want to do this with bare hands and then you rub your eyes or something. I use the gloves there. Get my fingers in here. And I just slice them like so. I have a bowl on the side here where I should fill the bowl up before I put them in the bag. Here's the bag already started for these jalapeno peppers. I marked them here. Then I just dump them right in. Like that. Close the bag up. And I already got, I think 3 of these bags already. Gallon baggies, freezer bags. That way we can have jalapenos all winter long. Don't have to worry about put them in jars. These are only 2 watermelon that I got out of my garden that actually became watermelon. Tundras are dried up on them. This is a small one. I'm gonna cut the small one open, see what happens. how it looks. How do I want to do this? Doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna save these seeds. I'm gonna see how it tastes. Even though it's small, it actually tastes good. And what's this? Hey Lucy, a watermelon? Want it? Eat it. You like watermelon? Yeah, you do. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Here, I'll hand it to you. There she goes. She's gonna eat it now. So that small watermelon is ripe. Tastes pretty good. I'm not gonna cut the large one up yet. I just want to do a small one, see how it tastes. I know the big one's gonna be just as awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And like I said, I've been picking from a garden every day, but I haven't been filming it. Until next time, later.